This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Janice Johnson. Beautiful one-level home with open floor plan. Large living area with built-in and beautiful fireplace. Wood flooring, tile and carpet in the home. Formal dining, eat-in kitchen west/breakfast bar, granite countertops. 4 bedrooms, primary bedroom has spacious bath west/double vanity. Beautiful windows, Inground saltwater pool. Full house, natural gas generator. 2-car side load garage. Call to view today. See showing remarks for more information, review the details below or contact Janice Johnson at 501-835-2121.